level from the top side into it and bounce, right? And then here you trade above it, have the inability to trade into break and hold it, and then you trade into it again, and then you break down. Okay, so that is something that we want. And here we go. Here's an instance on where Tesla does an R4 breakout. Unlike today, if you were to compare today's chart, this chart here with today's price action, you will notice the complete opposite, the polar opposite. Here we sit on top of R4 and then break up. But one key thing is this traverse here from R4 to previous day close, bounce off a previous day's close, and then do the R4 breakout, okay? So here we are again, and then here it is from a broader perspective, from a monthly standpoint, and you can see how these levels are highly respected. The R4 and S4 levels highly respected. And also, guys, just keep in mind, it's not something you're going to be able to grasp overnight. It takes a lot of screen time. But then once you understand how these levels are respected, then you have the ability to identify a where and a when, okay, within your trading. So where is price action? Okay, it's under R4. When am I going to look for the breakdown once it rejects it, okay? So we have that there, guys. And then here's another example of Apple bouncing off some S4 levels and rejecting them. Nice indecision. S4 break up here, S4 break up here, R4 break up here, R3 break up there, and another R4 break up here, guys. Okay, and here's another example on NVDA, looking at the same pivots, but just from a monthly standpoint. These will be calculated on a monthly basis, and then they will not change throughout that whole duration of those 20 trading sessions or 22 trading sessions throughout the month, okay? So putting everything all together, run your morning pre-market analysis and select which underlying assets best fits your trading criteria. Determine which zones and underlying you are analyzing is in. Scan through the monthly and intraday pivot points. Determine if you are in a breakout or breakdown zone. Monitor the open and the overall sentiment of the underlying and the overall market. Wait for precise entry and exit levels when key pivot levels come into play. And that is it today, folks.